What's going on, everyone? Today's the 27th of June, 2023. We're going to talk about Apecoin real quick because somebody has been snapping up this particular cryptocurrency ever since it began trading around $2. Who's buying this cryptocurrency on the dip? We're going to talk about that today. But as always, I come through and I show you what happened to the price against my price prediction. So let's keep it real. You guys can see that Apecoin wasn't that bullish. I did a price prediction for Apecoin on April the 4th, 2023. You guys can see I was looking for price to trend up in Apecoin, and the market got snagged right here at the high of $4.75. That was the high in the market in Apecoin when I did my price prediction on April the 4th. So yeah, there was a couple of days that we had opportunity to bag some profit, but it wasn't that long. Okay. So depending on where my targets were in Apecoin, I'm not sure. You had to go back and see my prior video on April the 4th. That would have garnered us to see the market in Apecoin hit the highs of these daily price bars of like 6.25%. And that was it. Market did not give us anything outside of that. So we move on. Because obviously price in Apecoin is on a massive decline. So let's go ahead and talk about that first. Price is decreasing, and here is the reason. Every time the price in Apecoin comes to this particular descending line, guess what happens? Yeah, the price goes down. So this is the lid into the market in Apecoin. This is the reason people sell Apecoin every time it hits that downtrend line. It's pretty good that we identify that, right? That's a pretty good idea that we do that. So if we're going to play some strength into the market in Apecoin, then guess what? Yeah, we need to be prepared to take some profit out of the market. Okay. Now take a look at all this volume down here. Somebody is either selling a whole lot of Ape or they're buying a whole lot of it. Which one do you think it is? Zooming in on the chart, I want to show you that this particular cryptocurrency is still trending though. Look at this particular market in Apecoin. It's trending higher. Yeah, so we're trending on a daily basis to the upside. Okay. Now you guys can tell that the last time we saw the market dump in Apecoin was June the 10th. Market reclaimed some of that area on the 11th. That is where current sellers are at. They're right here. That is why the price in Apecoin is giving us this indicator of weakness, a fake. Okay. And then we also saw another indicator, even though it wasn't triggered on the chart, but it still resembles that sellers are coming to the market in Apecoin. This is the reason why. $2.45 is where sellers are currently staging their selling. Now, we're going to hold that there. Okay. Real quick, look at the market in Apecoin, the 2-day time frame. This market is definitely getting walloped with a whole lot of selling. From this 2-day price bar, even to the current one, this market is still being hit with selling. Take a look on the 3-day chart. Okay, the increase in volume is definitely being seen. Market went up, went down, closed towards the middle of the 3-day price bar, which resembles pretty good pricing action. Yeah, no one side of the market actually won. Not one side of the market is actually dominating over the last 3 days. Here's Apecoin on the 5-day chart. Let's look at this on the monthly real quick. You guys can see this is the 5th consecutive month that Apecoin has closed lower than the previous month. This is what a dead market looks like. This is what a market that no one is interested in. Nobody's interested in buying Apecoin. The market's going to continue to drift this way lower until it finds those buyers. That's how the market works. Okay. Here it is on the 3 weeks. And I don't like this 3-week price bar right there in Apecoin. We close at the very bottom of that 3-week price bar. That tells me that we still have some weakness to go through. And zooming out the chart, like, can we keep it a buck? Check this out. In Binance, the market in Apecoin opened at $1. Could we see price in Apecoin run all the way down to a buck? Because outside of us holding support now at 270, that's the next area. Okay. Now this is on the weekly chart though, but take a look. Charts don't lie. We need to see the market in Apecoin begin to give us some more strength. We may see it run back up to $3, then push back down. Here it is on the 7-hour chart. Okay, you guys can see where the weakness is coming in at. Like I told you earlier, these indicators, these price bars is telling you where the sellers are at. Okay. Now it was good to see price not react negatively to it. Like the price is still holding its weight at $2.30. So it kind of tells me that the buyers, they're taking the hits. Whoever is selling their ape into the market, the buyers are buying it. That's what the 5-hour chart is reflecting. You guys can even see it here on the 5-hour chart. Here it is on the 3. So I think the market in Apecoin is going to continue to go higher because the market is being very reluctant into not letting this price fall down yet. Okay. So even though we can see the brunt of the selling currently coming to the market in Apecoin, the last couple of 330-minute price bars, price is not reacting that way. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to go ahead and place some strength into the market in Apecoin. It's just that simple. So put this back on the daily. I think my first target though, it's going to be like 248, 250. Yeah, because I definitely want us to understand that if the buyers are able to hold price, they're able to move it up to 250 and we still see selling, then yeah, market may completely collapse. So I definitely want us to at least see opportunity to bag some profit out this particular move. So let's go ahead and do this real quick. First target is like 248. That's 5 3/4% market move to the upside in Apecoin. Okay. Let me look at this here. Okay, we got 248. My next target is going to be around like 267, 265. So we do 267 as the second target. Okay, so that's 14.02%. Then my ultimate target, my third target, will be up here around 280, which is 19 1/4. Move to the upside in Apecoin. Okay, so those are my 3 targets. We're going to go ahead and extend this over just a little bit over to the right. Give the market opportunity to trade that. And we're going to bring this back as a reference to how high price is going to move before we anticipate more selling to enter the market in Apecoin. Okay, so I'm through. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.